Find each product. We have here multiplication of integers. In the first example, we have negative integer times negative. To memorize, negative number times negative give me always positive number. So negative times negative give me positive. I can write this plus. And I have to just multiply the number 6 times 8. So this is equal, positive sign we don't have to write, so 6 times 8 is 48. Next example, now we have negative times positive. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So negative times positive, we have to memorize, negative times positive number is always negative number. Or when you have positive times negative is always also negative. Doesn't matter which number is first, positive or negative. When we have one positive, one negative, the answer is always negative. When we have two negative, there's two negative signs, just build one positive sign. So now negative times positive, negative times positive. So we have negative sign and we have to just multiply these two numbers, 7 times 3. So this is equal, negative sign we have to rewrite, 7 times 3 is 21. Next example, now we have negative times negative. When we don't have any sign, it's always multiplication. So we have multiplication of two negative integers. Negative times negative build one positive number. So we have positive sign and we have to multiply 9 times 5. Close parenthesis. We don't have to write positive sign, so we have 9 times 5 is 45. So this is my solution.